Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can navigate Asana, so let's get right into it. Once you're logged in and like so, go to your homepage. This is where you're going to end up. Here you can view all your tasks, your upcoming, overdue, and completed tasks. You can navigate the people in your workspace, the projects in this workspace, etc., and you can customize new widgets if you want. Once you're done with home, you can go into My Tasks to view all the tasks that have been assigned to you, and you can add new tasks if you want. You can view it as a list, a board, a calendar, or you can view the files for your tasks, and you can also go to Inbox to navigate your messages that you might have gotten. You can also go to Insights, such as reporting, however, that is locked behind a paywall. You can go to Portfolios, view it as well, but as you can see, that is locked behind a paywall as well. And you also have goals, which you can track, which you can also pay for. I'm pretty sure these are all for, well, paid, I think, premium versions. However, you can try them for free if you want. You can also go under your projects and view each project separately. Click on any tasks and any sections if you want to view their descriptions and their information. You can then go through these views such as list, board, timeline, calendar, and workflow, and you can do a couple of different things with them. It really depends on up to you, but you just pretty much have to click on the buttons that you want and you're pretty much good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.